Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our second paycheck in April and going over our third paycheck. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did this week. So in our budget from April the 11th through April the 17th, in our expense category, we budgeted $195.31 for our chiropractor, $82.99 for our YouTube TV, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $26.99 for Netflix, $16.15 for Audible, and $15.25 for YouTube Premium. That came up to a total of $408.09. And in our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. We budget our cash envelopes at $590, sinking funds at $350, our savings challenges at $80, Navy Federal at $80, and our extra backup money at $20. That came up to $1,120. In our actual category, we spent $545 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $45. $350 in our sinking funds, $80 in our savings challenges, $80 in Navy Federal, and $20 in our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,075, which was a difference of $45. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,601.57, minus the expenses of $408.09, minus the cash envelopes of $590, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $80, minus Navy Federal of $80, and minus our extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $73.48. In our actual category, our income was $1,601.57, minus the expenses of $408.09, minus the cash envelopes of $545, which was a difference of $45, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenge of $80, minus the Navy Federal of $80, and minus our extra backup funds of $20. That left a remainder of $118.48, which was a difference of $45. In our paycheck from April the 18th through April the 24th, we budgeted $420.50 for our phone bill, $400 for our extra payment, $49 for our e-form, $40 for our meds, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, $11.98 for Google YouTube, and $1.99 for Google Storage. That came up to a total of $939.65. We budgeted $630 for our cash envelope, $675 for our sinking funds, $110 for our savings challenges, $150 for our backup funds, $100 for Navy Federal, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,705. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $3,652.36, minus the expenses of $939.65, minus the cash envelopes of $630, minus the sinking funds of $1,475, minus the backup funds of $150, minus Navy Federal of $100, minus the car tag, our car tags are due this month, of $150, minus savings challenges of $110, and minus our extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $57.71. So fam, as you can tell, we did have a little extra money to put toward our sinking funds this month. We did come into a little money, not much, but we did come into a little money. So we're distributing it through our sinking funds. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us the thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and join the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.